Welcome to the IRIE AT Product Review Center. IRIE AT, where you'll always find the best in Braille and low-vision products. Today, we're going to be looking at PowerDot Braille. PowerDot's superior Braille technology gives you production-quality Braille dots along with the highest quality tactile graphics imaginable. PowerDot is compatible with virtually any Braille or tactile graphics software, even use mainstream Windows software. And PowerDot Braille is precision-built in the USA. PowerDot Braille. Let's take a look. Most Braille embossers work by firing Braille pens into the paper to make impressions. PowerDot works much the same. Only with PowerDot, you have the ability to make extra high dots, even beyond the Library of Congress standard. PowerDot Braille makes production-quality Braille dots with the perfect shape, alignment, and skew. Competing embossers offer only a single fixed dot height, while PowerDot Braille gives you 8 different levels of dot height that can be adjusted per object. Use Tactile View to adjust the dot height of each shape individually. You can also use mainstream Windows software and have the Braille dots adjusted to height based on the darkness or lightness of the color that you use. Emboss images from Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Adobe Illustrator, as well as any mainstream Windows software that can print to an ink printer. Embossing variable height dots is particularly useful for images like graphs. Notice how the graph line and the axes are bold and easy to feel, while the grid lines are present for reference but don't intrude. Count on PowerDot Braille for the absolute best in super high-resolution tactile graphics. PowerDot Braille. Find it on the IRIE BrailleTrac 120 and on the IRIE BrailleSheet 120. Find out more about PowerDot Braille and the IRIE AT Braille Embossers at IRIE-AT.com.